Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to rename a user email address in Google Workspace. This is particularly useful when employees change their names, rebrand, or when you need to standardize email formats across your organization. To get started, open a web browser and navigate to admin.google.com. This brings you directly to the Google Admin Console homepage, which is your central hub for managing all user accounts and settings. Once you're there, you'll need to sign in with an administrator account, type in your admin email address, and click Next. This ensures you have the necessary permissions to make changes to user accounts. After signing in, look for the Users section in the main menu and click on it. This area displays all the users in your organization and allows you to manage their accounts. Now you need to locate the specific user whose email address you want to rename. You can either use the search bar at the top to quickly find them or browse through the list manually. Once you spot the user, click on their name to open their account page. This brings up the user's profile and account information. From here, you'll see various details about the user, including their current email address and name. Look for the rename button or an edit icon next to the user's name and click it. This initiates the renaming process and opens a dialog box where you can make your changes. In the rename dialog, you'll see the primary email field. This is where the magic happens. Update this field with the new email address you want to assign to the user. Make sure you type it carefully, as this will be their new login credential. Once you've entered the new address, click Rename or Save to apply it. If you also need to update the user's display name, you can edit the first name and last name fields right here. This is optional, but it's helpful when the email change corresponds with a name change. After making your edits, save those changes as well. Before finalizing everything, take a moment to review the changes you've made. Double-check that the new email address and display name are exactly what you intended. This quick review helps avoid any potential login issues or confusion down the line. Finally, click Save or Rename one last time to apply all the changes. The user's email address is now updated in Google Workspace, and they'll need to use the new email address for their next login. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.